Oral history recording equipment plays a crucial role in capturing high-quality audio during interviews. A reliable digital audio recorder, preferably one with high-resolution recording capabilities, is essential for producing clear sound quality. Recording interviews in a .wav format is best practice. External lapel microphones are often used to ensure crisp audio whilst offering hands-free recording. And there is one more thing. To ensure best results, recordings should be made in a quiet, controlled environment where you can minimise distractions. Here's the equipment. We're using a Zoom H5 recorder, 2 lapel mics and a portable power bank. This is our primary equipment. We also have headphones and a hard drive. We carry spare batteries and a spare memory card too, just in case. Let's look at how to set up the equipment for an interview. When you use the recorder for the first time, you will save some settings that won't change. For example, the recorder will need to be set to record in stereo and in .wav format. You'll also insert the SD card here, and you can keep batteries in the recorder here in case the power bank fails. This is a backup. First, plug in the lapel mics at the bottom of the recorder. Turn on your power bank and connect it to the recorder via the USB port. Turn on the recorder by sliding the knob and holding here. The screen will light up. Once loaded, the display will look like this. The main things to know are the level meter in the middle, the battery indicator or the absence of it, meaning the power bank is connected, the status icon here, which will change if you are recording, paused or stopped, and the time counter. I always check the power bank is connected by looking at the display. If there is no battery icon, the power bank is connected. Now attach microphones to the interviewee and yourself. The placement is crucial. Ensure that the mics are not touching anything, skin, jewellery, hair. You should check that they are unlikely to come into contact with anything during the interview too, for example, long hair or a scarf. Monitor mics throughout the interview. Now you're all set up, let's look at how to record and set the sound levels. First, use the dials here to set the sound levels to ensure the recording levels are correct. You need to ensure both your levels and the interviewees are appropriate. You're aiming for the bar on the level meter to reach between -6 and -12. So whilst you're both talking, but one at a time, adjust the levels. To record, press the big red button. You will see a block circle appear on the screen and this red light. To pause, press the pause play button. The light will flash. To restart, re-press the pause play button. If you plan to pause for longer or when the interview ends, stop the recorder by pressing the square button. By doing this, the file will save, and during a longer pause, this is best to ensure your interview file is safe and saved. To listen to the audio, put your headphones on and press the play button to hear the recording. This will play the most recent track. You can change the volume using these buttons on the side. The headphones will give you a true sense of the recording quality and help identify any background noise or audio interference. Press the stop button to finish listening to the track. To turn the machine off, slide and hold this button again. Remember, before you start your interview, you will want to do a sound check. Explain to your interviewee you are doing a test and ask them to talk about something general, whilst you record to gauge the levels being recorded. Sometimes I ask, how did you get here? Or what did you do this morning? Or simply, what did you have for breakfast? You can adjust the dials ready for the interview. Once you've recorded your interview, it's time to upload it. Do this as soon as you can so that you have more than one copy of the interview. To upload the interview, plug your cable into the Zoom H5, connecting it to your laptop or computer. You may need an adapter. Slide the on-off button. You will see these options on the Zoom H5 screen. You'll choose SD card reader by clicking this button. The Zoom will load up on your machine. Open it up and find the folder with your recording in. This will be in stereo. Drag and drop the interview to copy the files onto your computer. Don't forget to save the interview to an external hard drive too.